Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Vaporizers, and you're looking at its color coding. So, halothane. So, what color is halothane? Halothane is the color red. Red is going to be halothane. Then, what about isoflurane? Isoflurane. Isoflurane is going to be purple. And sevoflurane. Sevoflurane is going to be yellow. Sevoflurane will be yellow. Then comes desflurane. Desflurane here will be blue. Desflurane is blue. Next is the enflurane. Enflurane will be orange. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.